Hello. I'm here to share with you some info how to root Android without PC in 2019. There are multiple benefits to rooting an Android device. Foremost among the benefits is the ability to add custom ROMs on your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to add some more spice to your device. Rooting can also let you unlock some crucial features of your smartphone or tablet, so the benefits are not just limited to flashing custom ROMs. For example, there are some apps available in the marketplace that can only work with devices that are rooted. Now that we know why and how rooting can help customers, we're going to talk about how older methods required customers to install an app on the PC, connect their phone and let the drivers install manually. Today, the process is much easier and rooting your phone can be done without requiring a PC. We're going to talk about some of the services that allow you to root your phone without requiring root access. How to root Android without PC in 2018. Backup, and backup. It's important to understand that, before rooting anything, you should always back up your smartphone. The big problem with rooting your smartphone is that it can take a turn for the worse really quickly. If not done properly, rooting your smartphone can involve bricking your smartphone, which can turn your phone into something as useful as a paperweight. In other words, root your smartphone wrong, and you can completely ruin it without the ability to go back. So while backing up your smartphone won't save you from things going wrong, it will at least save your data. However, you might want to consider using other apps out there for backing up your phone, such as through Dropbox or another cloud service on the market. Got your phone and important data backed up? Great. We can get started rooting your phone. Universal Android coming up as our #1 choice. We're looking at an all-in-one app called Universal Android. It allows you to easily root your device without using a computer of any sort. The app itself is actually fairly old, but Universal Android says that it should be easily compatible with Android phones and firmware versions that are older. You might have trouble rooting, say, an all-new Samsung Galaxy S10, however. Kingaroot's own click-root apps are available in abundance today. One way the developers can differentiate with their products is by offering features that appeal to the masses. Kingaroot is one such app, as it comes with a pretty intuitive user interface and the ability to quickly root your Android device. The app can root almost any Android device you throw at it, although there are going to be some notable exceptions. If we are to talk about the disadvantages, there aren't many, to be honest. You will have to deal with a bunch of annoying ads every now and then, however. But since this is a completely free offering, we're not sure if it's much of a disadvantage, to be honest. You will require a stable internet connection to use the features of this particular app. One-click root. This is a fairly popular easy root app that has received testimonials from several happy customers. The app offers an easy-to-use UI, giving you precise details on exactly what you want. If you find that the app doesn't work as you intended, there's an in-app live chat and messaging service to get support from the dev team. The app is highly recommended for users who are new to the idea of rooting. As is the case with any root app, not all smartphones will be compatible with this particular application. You will have to simply install the app file, open the app and see if the device can be rooted with this application. Naturally, the app will have some ads, which is the only source of revenue for some of these developers. However, it doesn't come in the way of user experience in any way, so we don't mind it all that much. Framroot, a more polished version of the apps that we talked about above. Framroot is a decent root app that offers one-touch root support much like the apps that we discussed above. If you're not happy with the root experience, you can simply unroot. Is a handy feature to have. The app is free, although there don't appear to be any ads. Android 4.0 and above. It is also important to note that Framroot doesn't work with some of the newer Android smartphones that are available in the market today. Keeping this in mind, we suggest users to carefully choose the app meant for their devices. There's no way to know for sure, but it can help to try multiple one-click root apps to pick the best one. Z for root. This is yet another popular root apps that can be downloaded in the form of an app file. Strangely, the app was available on the Play Store until recently, but naturally, Google got it removed before too long. The app utilizes the same methods as other apps, which brings it pretty much on par with every other one-click root application. It's a free download, naturally, although you will have to deal with the usual flow of ads. Root Master. This is the app to have if you're new to the concept of rooting. It's an easy-to-use root app which appears to be designed specifically for beginners. The easy-to-use options will give you exactly what you want, without having to Google any of the steps. What's even better is that the app doesn't have any sort of bloatware or ads, making it one of the best one-click root apps for Android right now. iRoot. If you've got an older version of Android that you want to root, iRoot will be right up your alley. This one is designed for unrooting the complexities that the older Android 4.0 to Android 4.4 versions bring. Download the iRoot APK on your Android device, and you'll be able to easily root your phone so that you can install the ROM of your choice on the phone. Get the APK from the link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please click my link in description for more information. Bye.